Bengaluru Traffic Police have announced special traffic restrictions, diversions and parking arrangements across various parts of the city in view of Bakrid celebrations on 28th May 2026. In the Halli Traffic Police limits, traffic movement from Nagawara Junction to Pottery Circle will remain restricted from 5 am to 2 pm. Alternative routes have been provided via Hennur, HBR 80 feet road, Lingarajpuram flyover and Shivaji Nagar. Parking will be prohibited from Pottery Circle to Nagawara Junction, while parking facilities will be available at Alphonse School Cross Road, Pillana Garden Road, Umar Masjid 4th Cross and HBR 80 feet road. In the Pulikeshi Nagar limits, traffic restrictions will be in place from 7 am to 12 pm around Kuddus Sahib Eidgah ground on Millers Road. Alternative routes for Old Uday TV Junction, Haynes Road, St. John's Church Road and Nandidurga Road have been arranged through Bamboo Bazaar, Cantonment Road, Queens Road and Jai Mahal Road. Millers Road will remain a complete no parking zone. In the Chamarajpet limits, traffic restrictions will remain enforced from 8 am until the completion of prayers around BB Junction and the BBMP ground. The Tollgate Junction, BGS flyover and Town Hall route will remain closed. Alternative routes have been arranged via Vijayanagar, Veterinary Junction, Goods Shed Road, Sirsi Junction and Binny Mill Road. In the RT Nagar limits, traffic movement near HMT ground from CBI Road, Jai Mahal Road and JC Nagar will remain restricted from 6:30 am to 1 pm. Alternative routes have been provided through Sanjay Nagar Cross, BB Road, Tarabalu Road, PRTC Junction, Priyadarshini and Cantonment Road. In the micro layout limits, traffic restrictions will remain enforced from 8 am to 12 pm near Gurupanapalya Junction on Bannerghatta Main Road, Sagar Hospital Junction, Sairam Junction and 39th Cross Road will be affected. Alternative routes have been arranged through Tilak Nagar, East End Road, Jaideeva Junction and Outer Ring Road. In the KS layout limits, traffic movement from Saraki Signal to KS layout signal will remain restricted from 8 am to 12 pm. Alternative routes will be available through Saraki Market, Banshankari Bus Stand and Bendri Circle. Traffic police have advised commuters to plan travel in advance, avoid restricted routes during prayer hours and follow traffic diversions and police instructions for smooth movement and peaceful Bakrid celebrations across Bengaluru.